Let me introduce the Liftronic Easy to you. It's electronic balancing, and what's happening is we have a load cell here which is sensing the weight at the end of the rope. As we touch the touch sensitive handle, it automatically balances the load. It's sending a signal to the motor to pull on the rope and balance the load, and it's doing it within milliseconds, so it's what we call full auto balance. And we'll prove that to you by adding a weight to the 50 kilos that we've got on the tool already, and we can add weight and we can take it away and it will automatically balance the load. I want to show you how quickly it actually balances. If we change the mode now, and if we press the button on the control head, it's called the float mode button. By pressing that button, what it does is it sets the torque of the motor for the weight we've got on board, and that allows us then, rather than using the touch sensitive handle, we can actually take hold of the product and guide that to where it needs to be. What that means is if you're trying to place a heavy component precisely, it gives you that ability to guide it into position. If we now add the weight, because we set the motor for that weight, it's actually going to act like a normal old-fashioned manipulator, where we're working off a set cylinder pressure. On the machine now we're working off a set torque. If we now add weight to it, it will act like a normal manipulator and it will react. But when we've touched the handle and gone back to auto balance, we can now add the weight and it will stay exactly where we've left it. Right, what I want to do now is show you the versatility of the Liftronic Easy system. The range of products I have around me, you can see we can pick up with this tool by simply attaching a quick change coupling to the underside of the touch sensitive handle, and that allows us to go to a variety of different tools. Okay, so we can quickly interchange the tools to pick up a variety of different products. In this case, we're picking up the reel via a mechanical mandrel, which is going inside the core, and as we lift, it opens into the core and locks. We can also change the orientation of the product quickly and easily by what we call an orbital joint, which allows us to take the reel now from core vertical to core horizontal. So that concludes the demonstration for the Liftronic Easy. Another important feature is, as you notice, this one was a column mounted unit. We can go up to 4 meters in radius, and we have a terminal arm and a parallelogram that allows us with that elbow joint to cover nearly all of the working radius. We also do overhead systems, and I'll show you over here. Okay, when we need to cover a greater area beyond the radius of the machine, we can fix the machine overhead and have it on a bidirectional tracking system. And the feature of that is it basically gives you the ability to cover all of a working area. Let me show you.